and welcome to Ramadan Recipes, where we make sweet and savoury dishes for your sehri and for your iftar, but also for Eid. So today we're going to be making something called Gajar Halwa. It's a really traditional recipe. Now, carrots really originated in Afghanistan in the Indian subcontinent, and then they moved towards Punjab. So the recipe originated really in the Punjab region. It's something that's served during Eid as well as during Ramadan, during iftar, and it's great for creating small cubes or shapes with and serving up for a bit of colour at the end of a meal. So let's have a look at the ingredients we're going to need to make Gajar Halwa. We're going to start with some carrots, which have been grated, some whole milk, also some caster sugar. You can use xylitol or stevia or even agave syrup as well if you wanted to in place of sugar, and also some ghee and some cardamom pod seeds. So these are green cardamom pod seeds, and also the golden syrup. And again, you can replace that with agave syrup if you wanted to have lower sugar. So to make Gajar Halwa, firstly I'm going to take a heavy bottom pan, and you can actually use a frying pan if you want to speed up the process, but I'm going to use a saucepan. This actually gives you a more moister Gajar Halwa, whereas a frying pan gives you a slightly more firmer texture. So firstly we'll take a heavy bottom pan, add in the ghee, like so, and this is on a medium heat at the moment, so that we can make sure that the ghee melts. And then what we're going to do is make sure that everything is well distributed at the bottom of the pan, everything is melted. Might take a minute or so. And while that's melting, I'm just going to pick up the carrots. Now this is grated carrot that I've used here, and we're going to add that now to the pan, like so. It does look like a lot of carrots, however, this does wilt down to a smaller quantity once you mix in the ghee and the other ingredients. So if we give that a mix, I'm going to raise the heat slightly. You want to keep stirring so that all the ghee is coating all of the carrots, and also that it slightly softens as well. So again, this is going to take about 10 minutes. It's now been 10 minutes since we started heating the carrots up, and you can see that it's really wilted and become much softer in texture. So we're going to add in the milk to this, so add that in slowly. And again, this is on a medium to low heat. Give that a stir, make sure everything is covered with the milk. We're now also going to add in the sugar. And scatter that in so that it's evenly distributed. Give that a stir. And then add in the cardamom seeds as well. And again, stir that in so that it's all evenly distributed. So we're going to bring this to the boil, and this is going to take about a minute or so to come up to the boil. Place it on a high heat to do that. And then after that, we're going to reduce the heat to a medium to low heat and let it simmer while we're stirring constantly, just to make sure the liquid evaporates and leaves a sticky carrot texture. So you can see that it's coming to the boil right now, and it's starting to bubble. So we're going to bubble up a little bit more. You don't need to stir it this time, but you will do later on. So make sure nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan, and then reduce the heat to medium to low level, and we're going to wait for the liquid to reduce down and really become evaporated and leave a sticky carrot mixture. You can keep stirring while you're doing that as well, while you're waiting for the liquid to go down. And again, this is going to take about 15 minutes. So now the liquid is completely reduced down and it's left a really sticky mixture. And this is the time when you add a tiny bit of golden syrup. Now you can add in some agave syrup instead of golden syrup if you want to. And it's something that actually binds all the carrots together. So anything that's slightly flaky or not well softened, then that really makes it bind together. So you can make some shapes with the carrot halwa afterwards. So what we're going to do, give that a mix. And this is still on a low heat. Mix it in thoroughly. You can see it's really sticky now, and it's become more solid as well. There's no liquid left. And this is perfect now for chilling or creating a shape and then also chilling in the fridge if you want to have it in a set shape already. So carrot halwa or gajar halwa is actually brilliant for serving on its own or with some ice cream. You can serve it hot or you can serve it chilled. I would like to leave it chilled so that it sets properly and then warm it up just before we can serve for dessert. So nutritional value of Gajar Halwa, if you look at the carrots, it's actually quite high, but we need to make sure that we avoid the sugar. So we want to try and make sure that we replace the sugar with something like stevia or xylitol, which is a plant-based alternative. Now the carrots contain a lot of beta-carotene, and that's a basic version of vitamin A, and that's brilliant for your eyes and also for your skin. However, it also contains fibre, perfect for keeping you energized throughout the next day. Let's have another look at the ingredients that we need to make Gajar Halwa. So I hope you've enjoyed making the Gajar Halwa with me today, and I hope you're making it for your iftar tonight. It's perfect as a garnish at the end of your meal, perfect for a dessert with ice cream or on its own. And I'm hoping that you're enjoying your Ramadan so far. Join me next time.